Hey guys and gals, let's build a go-kart that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x6 plate. On the left hand side I'm going to skip a set of studs and place a 1x2 by 2/3 slope and take a 2x2 plate with bearing. I'm going to take an inverted 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. We're going to place the bearing plate inside the bow and I'll place this right in this 1x2 opening. Then on the right hand side, a pair of 1x2 modified plates with friction stub. And a 1x2 by 2/3 slope in this area. Back on the left, a set of 1x2 jumper plates and a modified 1x1 round plate with stick. Place it as shown, and a 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. This is going to lock in this piece. Let's slide this off to the side. We're going to take a pair of 1x2 plates with friction fork. I'm going to set a modified 1x2 plate with holder right behind the friction plates with fork, and on the face a 1x2 flat tile and a 1x2 half round flat tile. Set that right there. This is going to be the back of the seat. We want to place these right on our friction forks. Just press that down firm, and I'm just going to tilt this back by one click. Right here on the bottom, another 2x2 modified plate with double bearing. For our steering wheel, take a stick with holder, place that right there, and a 2x2 steering wheel console. Set that right on top. And for a flag, a 2 stud long stick with flange and one of these little flag pieces. We'll slip that right on there. Slide this off to the side. Let's take a wide tire and a wide rim. We're going to slip the rim inside the tire. We're going to make 4 of these and place these on the bearing plates. Sometimes it's a bit of a chore to get these on, so we have to rearrange the vehicle a bit. Maybe we'll get it right on this side here. There we go. That completes the go-kart.